Hey guys, Trash Man here. Today we're going to be installing the quiet baffles on the Khrome Werks 4.5-inch exhaust. I got this bike a little while ago. This is a 21 Street Road Glide, and it's got a great sound. These are great pipes. It's just on the top end, running freeway speeds. It's got a little bit of rumble to it. I like listening to my music, so I wanted to try out these 8-inch quiet baffles. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we need to pull these covers off. We want to take a look in here so we can see what's going on. Let's take a look. They just bolt right up into the little two holes there. So first thing we need to do is pull these end caps off. And they're just a couple Allen head screws. So let's get those off of there. We'll slide these on. These are just 2 hex head bolts per side, and they look to be like 1/4 by 1/2 inch regular hex bolts. So let's go ahead and pull these out. So I'll tell you what, why don't we fire this baby up and listen to it as it is, and then we'll put those baffles in and check it out again.
You can't see it, but in my hands, okay.
Got a good rumble to it. Not too loud. Pretty good pipes. Make sure they're not so hot. Getting them started. This is a little bit of a challenge, but let's give it another try. Let's see what those sound like. We'll give that a go. See if I like them or not. They may be coming off, I don't know. Get these end caps back on and call it a day. That's it. Easy enough. Sounds good. Start it up again. Thanks for watching.